Hi, today you will be learning how to make elephant toothpaste. So in the STEM activities, I chose science. I think elephant toothpaste is a fun way to incorporate science in everyday life, and ways it involves in science practice is the chemical reaction. And ways we know it's a chemical reaction is because there's a change in color and it gives off a gas. And so it's a really awesome way for you to incorporate science in your daily life. So ways you can use this is, my favorite thing to do is when I go babysitting is to do a new activity with them each time. So next time you go babysitting, you can bring this awesome experience and show these kids like how cool science can be, and show them the explosion in their eyes just light up. Another way you can use this in real life is you can use it as a science project. It'd be awesome. And I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks. My name is Katie Williams, and today we will be making elephant toothpaste. In order to do this, you will need some hydrogen peroxide, 3%, dish soap, just some household items. You will need food coloring, half a cup of water, and a tablespoon of yeast. Also, you'll need 2 glass cups and some gloves. First, we will get our half cup of hydrogen peroxide. Next, inside this cup, we're going to add some dish soap. This makes it so it's bubbly, super fun. Okay, also inside this cup, we're going to put some food coloring, so it's a cute color. We're going to put this cup to the side for now. Now we need this. We're going to add a half cup of warm water into our glass. And then we're going to add that tablespoon of yeast in that same glass. And kind of stir it around. This is where we need our gloves. So everybody put on some gloves. And now we're going to bring back our mixture from earlier, and we're going to combine the two into one glass. Make sure you have like a tarp or some kind of covering so it doesn't get all over. And now watch out! I hope you guys enjoyed this, and go on and try it now. Thanks for watching.